As you know, the proceedings with the officials are still going on. So in terms of what I can say this morning, I am still restricted. However, we made a huge progress in terms of reaching settlement with the vast majority of the investors that were unfortunately affected by the structured alpha matter. And we're very happy to report that we are now able to really size that. However, we have not yet settled with the US Department of Justice and the SEC, so I can't really comment on the details, nor can I exclude any further financial programs and financial implications, but we'll book them as soon as we have a settlement, and we're working very hard to resolve this as quickly as possible. As you can see from our numbers, however, even the charge that we've taken have not taken us off course. 2021 was the most successful year of our franchise ever. And the net income after this charge is even at the level almost of last year. So the financial strength of Allianz is still growing, and we're looking with confidence into the next few years.
Oliver, as we talk about this provision and the problems you've suffered at the fund, it does strike me as being in contrast to many of the conversations we've had personally before, where you've been so focused on risk at the organization, managing very, very carefully any anomalies that may come your way. You must be personally somewhat disappointed by what's played out here, and no doubt I'm sure remedies are at hand to try and fix the situation to make sure it does not happen again. Can you just walk us through that?
Absolutely. So we're obviously not happy with what has happened. And again, once we have the statements from the US Departments of Justice and the SEC, we can comment in detail, because they are going to determine how this is being looked for the public, and then we will comment. So please, again, respect that I can only casually comment. But we are indeed disappointed, and we're working day and night to make sure that something like this can never happen again.
Oliver, where does that leave you in terms? Sorry, Oliver, I just wanted to ask you, where does that leave you then in terms of the structured product market? Because I guess you've made changes to the investment, the global investors business that has reduced the risk of further problems. Is this a market you're just not interested in now?
It's really interesting observation you just made. Actually, we changed all of the management team in Allianz Global Investors at the end of 2019, so just before the market crash. And it's a bit unfortunate, because the new team has just a brilliant job in terms of cleaning the product portfolio, de-risking, including risk controls. And then again, 3 months later, the market crashed. So since then, we have announced that we are reducing the product scope by 40%, that we're getting out of things that are highly risky for investors, and we've been executing that. In fact, AGI, just to mention that, has had the most successful year ever in its history. So investor confidence is unabated. We had more than 40 billion in net inflows. We have recorded an almost 50% higher profit at AGI. So investors are really trusting the company, and that is actually giving me the confidence that we can get over this and focus on the future as soon as possible.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.